Hi everyone, let's draw geranium leaves today. So, as I'm moving my real-time drawing videos on the new ASMR channel, I thought I'd turn some of them into quick drawing tutorials for this channel. And I also made a poll in the community tab, and it looks like you'd like to see the speed drawing versions too. So I got a few geranium or pelargonium leaves and had them in a little glass jar beside me so I could draw from life. I had sketched out one leaf already off camera and I thought it turned out kind of nice, so I decided to draw and film another one. I started out by sketching the basic shape of the leaf with an HB pencil. It's round, but it has this inward curve on one side. Then I drew lines for the leaf veins and refined the wavy, rounded tooth leaf edge and added the stem. Next, I made more of the faint leaf veins and cleaned up the sketch with the small eraser of a mechanical pencil. Once the outline sketch is done, you can move over to shading the leaf. I was shading the lobes between the leaf veins lightly with the same HB pencil, trying to leave a strip of white between them. You can then reinforce the leaf veins with a thin eraser, again like the one on the end of a mechanical pencil, or if you have a kneaded eraser, you can mold that into a sharp point and use that. I continued with the mechanical pencil by shading a bit darker next to the leaf veins, erasing over the veins again if I messed up, cleaning up the outlines with the eraser and darkening the outline of the leaf. The real-time version of this video was one of the first pencil drawing ASMR videos I made, and after filming it I realized the audio was so low you couldn't actually hear any of it. I was recording ASMR videos with the mic on my camera at that point, and I had to mimic the sounds from the drawing and record them afterwards and then overlay those sounds on top of the original video audio. I'll show you some of the actual footage of recording the audio here. If you want to turn your drawing into a repeating pattern like I did, click on the playlist on the screen for more tips. See you there. Thanks for watching.